Master of the Car Masters. Today we're replacing the strut and some other parts on a 2004 Nissan Quest. This is more for the professional. I want to show you just the complications. Everybody knows how to take the strut off from the knuckle. At least the professional does. Stabilizer link. But to get there's three strut bolts on the top, and they're very hard to get to. See, there's a panel here blocking it. If you look way in there, you can see the nuts. Very difficult to see, and it would be very difficult to reach in there. You barely see one there. So what the key to this is to take this top panel off. It's metal, 10mm bolts all the way around. The wiper motor's connected to it. That has to come out to get to the strut bolts. That's the complications of this job. And that's what you need to know if you do it. Otherwise, everything else is routine. Uh-oh. All right. I disconnect everything in there just to get that panel out.
Let's hold it. Now you take that panel out.
There's an inner panel too with it. There you go. There it is. Take that whole panel out just to get to that strut tower. Get the wiper assembly out and the whole panel.
Let's hold this.
Just a clip. Alright, we just put the strut up. Slid the studs through the screw. Now we're just going to tighten it up.